Welcome back to Swing Trading with Carter. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about, yes, you guys have guessed it, swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to be talking about pretty much everything with swing trading: strategies, criteria, why did I enter, why did I sell, all that good stuff. So hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, we got group chat, we got lectures, everything to take trading to the next level. I don't believe in alerts. I don't believe in getting rich quick. I teach you how to trade and how to be a successful trader. So check it out down below, and we're doing a 50% off sale. You guys can use code SALE to get 50% off. Code SALE, 50% off. So I'll see you guys in there. Let's jump into it. So we're going to be talking about how to make $200 per day from swing trading stocks here. So the first thing that you guys are going to need is to set realistic expectations. I made this the first slide because this is the number one thing I want you to know is this is not easy. Swing trading, it's a job, it's a career. It's like a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer. It takes years of practice, hard work. Don't expect to fund a Robinhood account with $100 and to make $100 every single day. That will not happen. That's a recipe for disaster. So you got to have some realistic expectations. So consistent profits in swing trading come from being disciplined and not chasing fast money. Focus on steady growth, not just daily profit. So personally, I'm not a trader that will buy a stock at $1 and try to sell it for $1,000. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm a trader that will buy a stock at $1 and sell it for $1.10, but I'll do that consistently over the course of a year. I think that's what makes up a very, very successful trader. You also got to have a long-term mindset, build wealth over time by compounding your gains. You know, it's not about hitting $100 or $200 every single day, but averaging this profit over weeks or months. That's very, very important because, you know, trading and investing, you know, you'll have good weeks, you'll have bad weeks, but more importantly, you just got to focus on that long-term mindset. Don't expect, you know, to make $200 every single day. It's doable, but just focus on, averaging this profit over the course of months, weeks. You'll be in a great spot emotionally and, trading. All right, the next thing here is focus on risk management. Risk management's very, very, very important. And we'll talk about techniques on how to manage risk and reward later in this, so stay tuned for that. But position sizing is very, very important. Calculate how much capital you need for each trade to hit your daily profit target. For an example, if you aim to $200 and you usually have a target, a 2% move, you'll need about $10,000 for each trade. So, getting back to starting small, if you have $100, don't expect to make $200, right? In this instance, your target's 2%, you need 10 grand to make $200. Another thing here is risk and reward. We'll talk about it later when we break down strategies, but stick to trades where potential reward is at least 2 to 3 times greater than the risk. If you're risking $100 per trade, aim for $200 or $300 profit, right? Risk management isn't about making money. It's actually about preserving money. So focus on risk management, and you'll be really, really great. I'm telling you, you'll be a fantastic trader. And another thing here too that I want to talk about is 85% of traders fail. 85%. So, if you guys are breaking even or even with a small gain, guys, you're beating 85% of people. So just focus on risk management. Don't forget, code LEARN to get 50% off. I honestly forgot I threw this in here. Code LEARN, 50% off. Check it out down below right now. You won't regret it. It's awesome. All right. Focus and follow a proven strategy. So use technical analysis, use reliable indicators like RSI lines, moving average lines, support and resistance levels to time your entries and your exits. Stick to your trading checklist for consistency. So for me, before I ever place a trade, I get out this. This is my handy dandy trading journal. And on each of my entries, I have my checklist for entries. So this one here, upward trend, support on the daily, undervalued RSI, earnings. I want to know the earnings date. 1 hour support, risk and reward. Breaking down the risk and reward is a 2 to 1, 3 to 1. So make sure you guys get one of these. This is a trading journal. This is the one that I sell on Amazon. It's awesome. You don't even need that though. You can use a 99-cent journal from the dollar store. Don't have the excuse of, oh, I need that one. No, you don't. But it just keeps everything a little more organized. Enter positions in stocks that are in a strong upward trend or downward trend, and use pullbacks to your advantage. When that stock sells off a little bit, could be a good possibility for an entry here. Have a clear entry and exit plan, right? Getting back to 85% of traders fail. Also, 85% of businesses fail. Those businesses lack a trading plan, or lack a business plan, excuse me. Traders need to have a trading plan. So that includes your entries, your exits. So, wait for the stock to hit a support level or a key indicator like a RSI below 30. Exit points, predefine your exit strategy based on your risk and reward setup. I personally set it near resistance lines, and always have a target profit level and a stop loss in place. Keep emotions in check. Personally, I think 80% of trading actually comes down to emotions, right? I think we all remember during the AMC, GameStop era where everybody was buying these stocks. Most people lost money, but if they had their emotions in check, they would not have traded those positions. Discipline is key. Stick to your trading plan. Avoid emotional trading based on fear or greed. A very common emotion is fear of missing out. Patience for the long term. You won't win every trade, but the key to consistency is to follow your strategy and to learn from your mistakes. So going back to your journal, you're going to be journaling your trades and looking at what's working, what's not working, so you can implement that for future trading. All right, now let's talk about a very simple strategy that you guys can do for your trades here. So we've entered a couple of positions here. We'll talk about Ally. Now you guys can see here as we zoom in, the stock has a nice upward trend. So for me, the first thing on my checklist is an upward trend. Trends are very, very important here. The next thing here is support. So support in this circumstance here is actually on a lower time frame. We'll talk about that here in a second, but it was a 19 on the RSI, which is a very, very undervalued point for the stock. The RSI is a technical indicator that tracks momentum. It stands for the relative strength index. So historically, anything under a 30 is an undervalued spot. Anything over a 70 is overvalued. So right here, the stock was trading for a 19. The last time it was trading for a 19 was almost right in here where the stock went from $20 to about $26, which might not seem like a big move, but guys, that's a nice return of 20%. And I'll take that any day of the week. So going back to this, right? Undervalued RSI. The next thing here, let's go find the trend line or support. So you guys can see that on the hourly time frame, here, it has heavy support on this trend here. So it hits it. We get natural tendencies of getting good buying pressure. So for me, we entered on the support and the stock has popped up. We were up near and around $400. Now it's about $200. But in the grand scheme of things here, looking at this and breaking down our risk and reward, this is why having a broker like Moomoo, I'll put them down below for you guys because this is the trading broker I use, is because you can automatically plan out your trades, going back to that risk and reward. So, the entry here at about, that 34 range, our target is going to be up here at resistance, up here. Our stop loss is going to be down here below the support. It's about a 3 to 1 risk and reward. So meaning I'm risking $1 to make $3. I'm risking $100 to make $300. That's very, very important. And you guys can see the stock has rallied its way up and it's done very, very well here. Another position that we are in on is ticker symbol AJG. AJG here has broken out above, the 90-day moving average line. You guys can see it popped up yesterday. Today it will continue to rally. Average cost is near and around 2 81 here, right in this range. You guys can see the reason I love it is that if we go to the, if we go to the daily, you guys can see instead of using, the 1 hour time frame as support, we're using the daily. So you guys can see has heavy support here on the 90-day moving average line, which is a very hard support for the stock. Hit it, and we've had that great move. It also at the time was trading at a 29 on the RSI, so it was undervalued on the RSI on a support line. The hourly starting to break out. All the metrics are in our favor. So the biggest thing about swing trading is if you're just starting out, have a timeline of about 2 years out. Focus on paper trading, focus on learning, and then start small. Don't expect to make $1 million. Don't expect anything. Just focus on education. And, I use Moomoo. Check them out. You won't regret it. And check out our school. We offer a group chat, quizzes, lectures. It's like, if you want to take trading honestly serious, check it out. And guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.